Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have started our new chapter. Chapter name is Globes and Maps in the Computer. And which application we have used? Yes, Marble. Okay. And we have discussed up to this activity 3. We have studied what are the uses of Marble software, how to open the Marble software, and these 3 activities. What is the first activity? For searching a place or finding a place. Second activity, finding aerial distance. That is the distance, finding the kilometers between or distance between two places. Finding the distance between two places. And third activity, we have created a map through flat view. Okay, we have converted from globe view to flat view, and we have saved the map. Okay, we have exported the map as a picture. So up to this activity 3 I have shown you in the last class. In today's class I am going to show you 2 more activities, activity 4 and activity 5. Activity 4 is an idea about major latitudes and longitudes, and activity 5 is finding the latitude and longitude of an area. So before that I will give you an idea about what is latitude and what is longitude, and we can do the activity 5. So let us move to the topic activity 4. So I have written here the major latitudes and longitudes. And what is the first point I have written here? Latitudes and longitudes are the basis for deciding the exact location of a place in Earth. So don't by heart, my dear students. What is the use of this latitude and longitude? I will explain it through an example. Okay, suppose if you want to go for a tour and your tour place is Thiruvananthapuram and you are going from Thrissur. So what, you don't know the location and you don't know the route map to reach Thiruvananthapuram. So what you will do, in your mobile phone there is an application called Google Maps. You all may be familiar with that Google Maps. So in that Google Maps you will type the destination as Thiruvananthapuram. So you will get the exact route map and the exact location to reach Thiruvananthapuram. Is it right, my dear students? So how you are getting this route map and how you are getting the exact location, the destination location? Yes, it is calculating through these 2 concepts, that is latitude and longitude. Okay, latitude and longitude. Through this they are calculating the exact location and the route map. Okay, so did you understood, my dear students? So for your better understanding I have told that example. So once again you read out these latitudes and longitudes are the basis for deciding the exact location of a place in Earth. If you want to find an exact location, we can find it using latitudes and longitudes. So hope all are clear about the concept. Okay, now here I have written some of the points. These are the major latitudes. I will read out: equator, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, North Pole, South Pole. So these are the major latitudes. In your textbook, page number 21, you can see this diagram. Okay, there is two diagram, one is latitude and other one is longitude. So what do you mean by latitude? These horizontal lines, can you see here, 1 2 3 4, these horizontal lines are known as latitude. So latitude is always a horizontal lines in our globe. Okay, and longitude means vertical lines. Can you see here, these vertical lines are known as longitude. Okay, my dear students. So again, go back to your slide. So I'll explain each one by one. Okay, then it will be very clear for you. This is only for your information. Okay, you may be already studied this in your social science class, but I am taking you for your better understanding and for an information. Okay, so what do you mean by an equator? Where you can find the equator in your globe? Yes, at the middle of the globe. So I have written here 0 degree latitude, which divides the globe into two parts. One is northern hemisphere and other one is southern hemisphere. So I'll show it in your textbook. You can see here, page number 21, a line. You can see a horizontal line at the center, at the middle. Here it is written 0 degree. Can you see here? So this line is known as equator. Okay, and this line is dividing the globes into two parts. One is this north side, northern hemisphere, and the other one is this south side, southern hemisphere. Hope all are clear. Okay, what is the next one? Arctic Circle, and you check the other one also, Tropic of Cancer. These both are in north side, in northern hemisphere, and you note down the degree. Arctic Circle is in 66.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer is in 23.5 degree north. Okay, and these two, the next two, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, is in south side, in southern hemisphere, and you note down the degrees: 23.5 degrees south, 66.5 degree south. Okay, and the North Pole is at the top of the globe, 90 degree north. I will show it in your textbook. South Pole is at the bottom, 90 degree south. So I will show it in your page number 21 again. You can see here at the top, 90 degree north. This point is 90 degree north and it is known as North Pole, and this point is known as 90 degrees south, this bottom, and this is South Pole, 90 degree south. Okay, my dear students, so hope all are clear about the latitudes. So this much latitudes, major latitudes we are having. Equator at the middle, 0 degree, Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer at the northern hemisphere. You note down the degrees. Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle at the south hemisphere. You note down the degrees. North Pole at the top, 90 degree north, and South Pole at the bottom, 90 degree south. So hope all are clear about the latitudes. And the next one is longitude. This is the longitude. So the first longitude is 0 degree standard meridian. 0 degree standard meridian, or otherwise it is known as prime meridian. Prime meridian. So I will show it in the textbook. So I written one point here, longitude that divides the globe into two parts, two hemisphere. One is eastern and one is western. So in your textbook, you can see in page number 21, longitude, this middle line. Can you see here this middle line? This middle two lines. This is known as 0 degree standard meridian or prime meridian, which divides this globe into two parts. One is this one, eastern hemisphere, written as E, and this one, western hemisphere, written as W. Is it clear, my dear students? So this much about the latitudes and longitudes. Next we will move to our next topic, finding the latitude and longitude of an area. So before going to this topic, let me show you one more thing in our Marble software. So how to take Marble software? Go to application. In that you have to go to education and take Marble. Click on that. Now the application will be open like this. You have to zoom in the last class I have told you. You can see here zoom in option. You take India, just drag like this. Now it is India. Now I will show you this latitude. Okay, one of the latitude is, can you see here this yellow line? I zoom out. Yellow line here, this yellow line is equator. It is written here equator. Can you see here this written here equator? Now I will show you the Tropic of Cancer. Can you see here a yellow line here? Here I will zoom in. This one, look at my cursor. It is written in yellow color, Tropic of Cancer, and this is the line. You can see here a yellow line. This is Tropic of Cancer. So in your Marble software you can see these latitudes, equator. Can you see here Tropic of Capricorn, and can you see here Tropic of Cancer? It is written here. So here I'll ask you one question. Which is the major latitude passing through India? Tell me, which is the major latitude passing through India? Yes, you can see here this one. Which is that? Yes, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so in your textbook, page number 22, in your textbook, page number 22, you can see a table like this. You have to fill out these tables. We have just discussed these points. So what is the first question? Major latitude passing through India. I have told you just now. Which is a major latitude? Yes, you write down here Tropic of Cancer. All of you write down, take your textbook, page number 22. Major latitude passing through India? Yes, Tropic of Cancer. Next question, North Pole. So you have to fill out here how much degree north. You have to fill out here 90 degree. You write down here 90. Again the next question, South Pole. So there are two blank space here, dash, degree is given here, dash. So in the first blank space you fill as 90. You write down here 90, and you write down in the second blank space, you write down here south. South Pole is at 90 degrees south is the answer. And the last question, longitude opposite to 0 degree standard meridian. The answer is 180 degree anti-meridian. You write down here 180 degree anti-meridian. I'll show you. You write down this word there, 180 degree anti-meridian. You fill out this word here 180 degree and the meridian. Okay, my dear students, hope all are clear about that table. All must fill out that table in your textbook. Now we will move to our next activity, the final activity of this chapter, finding the latitude and longitude of a place or an area. So I have written down the steps here. You just read out the steps and I'll show you this activity in the Marble software. So first step is you have to search a place. Here I am going to search Cochin. So in the search box at the left side you can see the search box. You type Cochin. So you can see here Cochin in bracket IN. What is IN stands for? In the last class I have told you. Yes, India. Click on that and you press enter. Now you can see here a point, a cross mark. You click on that point. Then a window will be opened in white color. Here you can see longitude. It is written here some readings. You don't worry about that readings. You just note down. Latitude also given. Here some readings. So for your information, it is reading like this: 76 degree 14 minutes 0 seconds E stands for east. Okay, so what is the latitude? 9 degree 58 minutes 0 seconds N stands for north. Okay, my dear students, so you don't worry about these things, you just note down these numbers exactly like that. Okay, so in your page number 23, you can see a table like this. Okay, in that you have to fill out the values of latitude and longitude. Don't worry, we will do the practical session when the schools are reopened, and I will show you one more example, this Thiruvananthapuram, okay, in marble. So again you close this, again you type here Thiruvananthapuram in the search box. So you can see here Thiruvananthapuram, click enter. You can see here the Thiruvananthapuram is marked here, a cross mark. Click on that point. Again a window will be opened in white color. Here you can see the readings, longitude, latitude is this. Okay, so this is how we are finding longitude and latitude of a place. So I have written down the steps here. First we have to find the place using search box. Click on that place, then a window will open, and in that window you will be able to see latitude and longitude values. Is it clear, my dear students? So hope all are clear about today's class. Today we have discussed two activities. One is major latitudes and longitudes, and the other one is how to find the latitude and longitude of a place. So please study this well, repeat the video 2 or 3 times, and it will be very clear for you. So with this I am concluding today's class. Thank you.